Guys. Oh.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning subscriber, what's good, what's popping, what you do, baby, it is what it is. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, hit the button so to be part of the notification family. For those who don't know me, I'm Modie, period. As you guys can see today, I'm with my two friends. They can I could introduce them.
Please. Two friends,
okay, but you guys let me plan, so please introduce yourself.
Okay, hi guys, I'm new in the ground.
You what?
I'm new in the ground. Yeah, so guys, I don't know what's happening. Guys.
Hello guys, this is Pilani Zotile. So yeah, I'm back again to join this, to support my label. Join us today. As should I introduce the topic as well?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, and I'm trying. We are vlogging about Korean noodles. So we are joining the challenge today. Please be with us, and I hope you'll enjoy the rest of the video.
We should have uniform.
We were almost shy.
Thank you. Hey guys, sorry I had to pause this video so I can show you the packaging of these noodles, which are going 2 times spicy hot noodles. As you guys can see, we have sauces and spice, so we're going to use both of them in the noodles. The flavor of the sauce is hot chicken Roman extreme artificial flavored, and also the spice too. When preparing our noodles, we used hot water and cooked them in the microwave. Okay guys, as you all can see, now we put in the spices and sauces. Anyway guys, this is how they look after. I hope y'all will do enjoy this video. Ciao guys, let's get back to the video.
Okay guys, the challenge is like we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes and we have to finish the noodles, the Korean noodles before the 10 minutes is, like before it's time up. So before time is up,
time. I'd just stop watching it.
Yeah, you have to finish everything, like, and
take it on about
okay, this is that we are going to set a timer and then we set it for 10 minutes. By 10 minutes we have to be done. And then I will press it in front of you.
What is your press?
It's counting down.
Yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What was the price? Okay, my level will announce after.
Layaka. Inamanga. I want to tell you, do not play Tigama. Let's go for your fair.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Anya ka selala.
Pero pula chisa maros.
Mara awasi fan. Ngoba ababana la.
Anya ka selala. Anya ka selala.
Nandino ko study bad.
Nasted.
Like ngifila ngathi sibabela ukuthi because siyazi ukukhuluma baba.
Ngibabeka ngifuna ukukhuluma mama.
Akabazi. Akabazi.
Ngizokudla kwathi phuma intuthu.
Akabazi. Akabazi. Dala ngikhuluma ukuthi akabazi. Kanti uneyithi kwena.
Asifake ne-micro food.
Afisha ne.
Ayabamba. The timer is counting down. So mina solo ngikhuluma so it's doing me no good.
Makhwebo kwa ya bere kile ngizira ko. Kam ko dile bokhala ka.
Tipila ka ngonya ka go bele stop.
Ngitshela ngifike ka umsopolo.
Wathi ka msmetela fela sala futhi meta ke nang futhi meta.
So microwave.
Afuna
ukuqoqa.
Uyaphazabiza.
Siso.
Wait azanka no libisiso.
Nakascan libis. Arije.
Awa.
Kan ar kan ke mast.
Enge. Magani papa tsona di Durban car. Magani papa tsona di Durban car.
Manje bangishona meludle uthule mele ucede.
Tish. Na. Kopalo utshele ukama. Yo, thank you. Na tish. Akashi tish. Mntana mina mawirete.
Abe smooth orange.
Orange isomela muloma. Benita asitish.
Baba la.
Nena, why
Izale Vaseline.
Kya fenya kutsa kama kakango.
Maripende musile. Bon.
No one knows.
Ngathi
Jangan kata Yo. Ya kotor. Adi.
angikwazi ukuphefumula.
Tata kumele ngisukume no.
Afeta lo jaba.
Okay, I'm working blood. I'm with my battery.
5 minutes left, guys.
Nice pau.
Tantla. Baba mo.
Akuhlekeki inkinga. Ungekwazi ukuhleka. Hayi babi.
Mala bistini sakho.
Maswayi. Adi bet.
Lamanga.
Dati lebese le tsene ka nkonga go swani. Le futhumeditse nko.
Okay, zakaba ne sibelayo.
Ezame. Ovina utholani?
We'll tell you answer that after.
Ngapha bina mina.
Ibisi liyakhohlisa nyana bese maswala liyabuya.
Bana ma. Kama tishwe.
Ukubuyela like ufuna i-determination. Ukubuyela ufuna i-courage.
La ke afeta. Wena sanya ka courage. Ilana show up izaka show afeta. Ziba ziningi.
Angizwisisi uyabona baba. Yimi ngidla kakhulu. Unless isikhathi ngihleka nyale.
Go challenge.
Tantayisha. Aku fedisha guys, ne? Aku fedisha.
Malebu usize.
Ntatwa ngapela ngikusithi so.
Kuyabeka idlala. Akathela.
Mama bakafakanga.
Akathela.
Kibon ne. Utodisha kasindisha.
Bakatepile lapho. Unless we put just one.
Yeah, guy.
You must worry. I got a patience. 2 minutes 50 seconds.
I want to eat some kapila.
Lena le tshile le thuka mara ka plate ka Qatile.
Nashim kamar sana khulumisa ngazo.
Mara phela ke sendle mina sebenzi.
Na vela ngomso. Aphe kuyi.
Utala ngithengisela phakathi. Uthengisela phakathi. Ngapha atwa.
Sis Malebo.
Yini? Yenza.
Kibone batho ba ka mo.
Lena ke ba bone mosipako ka dazaka re si. Abantu wasonto ku shelf pass kam. La ke
Nto
ba.
itsa mara dinko.
Mezo ngingana sendlebeni.
Sheshe mka 2 minutes.
I'm sorry, Jim.
Ntlantla fetsa ne. Mara ibisi la forana le bese.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Si ufuna ngale close. Abaphuma suka.
Chipi mechong.
Ngicela nina lo robala dibile.
Idla bayadla.
Friends square.
Achu.
La rapa ni yakufeli.
Isikhathi timer.
Ushete 51 minutes, 50 minutes.
50 seconds.
Stop njani?
Khuluma ke. Vala.
Stop. Stopen.
Is it typing it wrong?
Azange ngaphuza. Ima.
Mo, talking to yourself. Ngiphatha ama tonsils. Guys, talking tonsils. Yeah, you would but that's
Mara honestly speaking intole kubhlungu akubathi. Ngumikazi. Oh.
Ya, tsona Adibabi. Akubulele ngini Adibabi. Adibabi. Zikhulu. Baka kuyakhala. Babulele. Kati ditsigonna kadi. Badi bitang di dimas. Lefa na chikan. Lena pare di dimas aga.
Ima bakaka.
Bilal.
Awa betul.
Fara ba.
Awa fana. Naki right.
Ito masanimile.
Dinalala. Impale.
Ito yami yazenzani? Ya.
Impala.
Ngiyakabombali mina.
Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope y'all did enjoy this challenge.
Oh, the entire challenge.
The entire challenge. We'll be waiting for you here. Like
What
I'm
do you do?
give on a little Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah, we tried. We tried. I won, and
Why?
No, but they tie.
Mara, it's like
Yazi
chaza yoyini
You.
ukuthi ivideo le ayikho anyeke ithi ithatha iside lakho bese iveze iside lakho iveze iqiniso.
Yeah, but it was a tie. It was a tie.
It wasn't a tie. I finished first.
It was a tie between me and him.
Remember kulela little t-shirt na little maka plate yak.
Mina uyambala nami lapho.
Khale ngifike